Hello, I'm Debbie Bell-Hosking and welcome to FinextraTV here at Sibos 2022 in Amsterdam. I'm chatting to Mario Mendia and Andrew Quartermaine of TAS Group, and we're chatting about rebranding and payments. Gentlemen, welcome.
Hi Debbie, thank you.
Hi, pleased to meet you.
Oh, it's great to have you here on the sofa, the FinextraTV sofa.
It's a very comfortable sofa too.
It is actually.
It is, yeah.
So let's go to rebranding first.
Yeah, there's been a lot of changes in TAS over the past few years, but this year has been really instrumental because it's our 40th anniversary for one, but also we were recently taken over by Rivian Private Equity, so we delisted off the Italian stock exchange, and there's lots of really interesting things happening at TAS, so that times perfectly with the rebranding of the company.
What's changed over the last year?
Well, I think there's been obviously the market is changing rapidly and we've changed as part of that. But we've come up with a whole variety of new solutions and services for our customers. Moving to the cloud is absolutely critical, part of that strategy. But I think one of the things that is critical for us is also our expansion, especially our expansion, outside of Italy, internationally. And for that, we are doing a lot of inorganic discussions and also organic discussions as well with existing customers and partners. So there's a lot going on within TAS at the moment.
There is a lot going on by the sounds of it. And so, Mario, I'm going to ask you then, moving forward, you've rebranded, you're moving forward now. What's your strategy? And also, are you working on new innovations?
Well, our strategy is to serve the customer. That basically are challenged by the customer journey, by the innovation the customer are requiring. So they need some more agile solution, more bespoke service that we can provide. So we go into a much better cloud available solution to the market. And in that sense, we think that we can mix also, let's say, payments around card-based payments and account-based payments, because the final customer doesn't know once he's using a wallet what is the rail he will be using behind. So we can provide to our customer, banks or payment institutions, the capability to be flexible on those different rails in a pure convergence mode. And that's the main innovation, I think, behind it, the capability to let our customers decide what kind of clearing settlement they want to put in place, giving the best answer to their customer, regardless those specific.
And I like the way that you say your strategy is the customer.
Well, I mean, we have to be in the market. We need to change like the market does, and that's why we have to direct all the company efforts towards the customer goals.
Yeah, I remain flabbergasted by the amount of change that's taking place in the market, but I mean really reassured that a lot of the points that Mario alluded to, TAS is embracing for its domestic markets, predominantly in Italy, which is the backbone of our business, but also we can actually externalize that knowledge about the European market to other situations outside Italy as well. So very, very relevant.
Now, based on your knowledge, and the two of you, we're going to pool here on this question, but what's your view on cooperation and competition in the payments landscape that some will say is getting pretty crowded?
Mario, do you want to?
Well, I can say that there is a lot of cooperation. We've been experiencing this in the last 3-4 years with system integrators and other companies that doing our same, let's say, business in different ways. And the way of working together is much better for our customer again, and for us. Let's say we already experience a good, let's say, cooperation within the market, and we gotten some results from that.
Yeah, I would add, and also I think you're quite right. There's been a lot of consolidation, but with that consolidation comes opportunities for somebody the size of TAS, who, we are very nimble. We have the ability to adapt to situations quite quickly, and I think while there is that mass consolidation, many of those companies who many would seem potentially as our competitors are actually, in fact, our partners, and we reuse a lot of our solutions. So I think this consolidation which is happening is actually a huge opportunity for TAS as well.
competitors become partners?
Well, that's the way of the world, isn't it? I mean, I don't think, you know, the way things worked 20 years ago is not how things work now. And one minute you might have a partner, one minute you have a competitor, and you have to constantly change your colours according to what the customer needs are.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Andrew, thank you very
Thank you.
much. Mario, thank you.
Mario.
Thank
Great
you.
chatting to both of you.
Thank you.
Thank you.